Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will check Bitcoin has moved in the last week and how the price of Bitcoin can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see here that the Bitcoin has made a high and from there again it is in the particular range. Okay, and if you have seen my previous video, I have already told you that the crypto in the last week was doing very well. Okay, after that this week we have seen that it has come down a little. Okay, because profit booking has come at that level. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding crypto, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical is working, and you can join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. Look at this chart. Okay, now we have seen the range of Bitcoin was moving in this particular range. Okay, and this is from Feb to May, and after that what it has moved downside and was moving in this particular range from May to July, and after that is in this particular range from August to September. And now after moving this particular range and moving above this level, because I have already told you that once this price, okay, this because a pattern was created this time and we have seen a sharp movement upside. As the same way we have seen a pattern was created here, and once it goes above a level of 42, and I have already told you that if it goes above 42, then we can see there were chances it can make a new high, and made a new high. And after that it is always there whenever it make a new high it comes down. Okay, if you look at this trend, whenever it makes a new high it is coming down. Okay, so suppose if the price now trading at around 61772, then chances are high it can go above a level of 63,538, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 64,696, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level, it's all-time high. Okay, then there is a probability profit booking can come at this level, because if it touches once and then twice, so probability is there it can bounce back from this level. Or suppose if it breaks this level, all-time high, then chances are high it can make a new high, and then what you can do is you can keep this as a stop loss and trail the stop loss, so that you can book the maximum of the profit. Okay, now suppose if the price fall down, then it didn't sustain this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 60,6604, and from there it can go and touch a level of 58,244. Okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 56,755. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 52,784, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 5468, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 448,976. So suppose if it price goes below this level of 56,424, then chances are high it can go further low, and we can see a level of 48,648 also, and from there we can see a level of 44,678, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see further low in the Bitcoin. If we talk about Dogecoin, see, we have seen that Dogecoin made a high, and from there it is moving in this particular range. So what we are waiting here, that it is trying to make a U pattern. If you look at this pattern, what we can see, it made a high. I have already told you that if it there were a probability that it can touch a level of 34.34, and from there it can bounce back, because these levels are, this level is already tested once, so chances were very high that it will bounce back from that level, and profit booking has come at this level. So now what we can see, suppose now trading at around 0.2659. okay, then chances are high if sustain this level, then we can see it 5822, and if the price goes more above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 0.32092,481, and if the price goes more above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 0.34034, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 0.35. So if it didn't sustain this level, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 0.44, and then from there we can see, because this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 0.59, and then we can see there is an uptrend in the Dogecoin and can touch its high also. But suppose it didn't sustain the level of 0.2659, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 0.23246, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 0.19578. Once if it comes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 0.09439 also, because these all these levels are, it is a very strong support. If it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go more downside. If we talk about Ethereum, see what we have seen in the Ethereum, that the price is continuously going up. Okay, if you look at this price, it is now at this level, so there is a probability that Ethereum can go and can touch its all-time high. Okay, why I'm saying this, because if you at Ethereum made a high of 4382 around at this level. Okay, and that level was already tested twice. So I have already told my previous video that if the Ethereum goes above 4000, then there is a probability it can touch its all-time high and can move upside. So what we have seen here, that the continuous rally we have seen, and it has touched its all-time high, because this level is not tested twice, so chances were very high that it can bounce back from this level, or profit booking can come at this level. So profit booking has come and made a low of around 3905, and from there we have seen another upside, and after this level we have seen that it has moved upside and made a high of 4438. Okay, we can see the rally more upside if it sustain above a level of 4368, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 4200, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 4031, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 3861, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 3177, and then from there we can see it can go to a level of 2910. But as of now, I can see if it sustain above a level of 3989, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, or if it sustain above a level of 4172, then we can see it can go another high. Okay, if it stays above this level 4200 or 4192. Okay, and then suppose if it comes close to this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 4500 also. Okay, and if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see further downside. Okay, if it goes below a level of 4000, then we can see a level of 3681 also, and from there if it didn't sustain that level, then we can see a level of 3163 also, and then further low, and the trend will change. If we talk about Litecoin, see now Litecoin is moving in this particular range. Okay, so once what we can see, expect that a pattern is creating at this level. Okay, so chances are high if it sustain above a level of 197, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 212, and if sustain above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 231, and after that we can see a level of 237. If the price come at this level, we can see a profit booking can come, or if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 246, and if the price goes more above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 261, and we can see a trend will change if the price goes above a level of 238, because then we can see that probability is that it can go to a level of 287 also, and the trend for upside will remain, and if it remains above a level of 290, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 335, and then we can see it can go and touch a level of 370, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 393, and then we can see it can go and touch a level of 411 also, its all-time high. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 188, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 177, and from there we can see a level of 169, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 155, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 138. Okay, if you look at this chart, what we can see, a opposite cup pattern is forming. So if the price goes below a level of 163, then we can see it can go to a level of 139, and from there we can see a level of 111, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go below a level of 104. Okay, so what we can see here, suppose if the price goes below this level of 185, it can touch a level of 173. If it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 162, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 154.934, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 148, and if the price goes more below this level, we can see a level of 139.40, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 134.54. Okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 119. Okay, and then we can see a downtrend will start for Litecoin. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.